So mula sa El Filibusterismo, Dayan, alam mo ba na syempre 45 days to go na lang, Pasko na. At meron tayong pinuntahan na Christmas lighting ceremony. Dito lamang yan sa ETC.
Ang malamig na simoy ng hangin ay dumating na. Bukod sa maningning ng mga ilaw, ay buhay na buhay din ang diwa ng pagtutulungan. Ito ang layunin ng isang hotel sa Pasay City sa kanilang taunang Christmas tree lighting activity. Brass Christmas ang naging tema ngayong taon ng kanilang giant Christmas tree. At syempre, hindi mawawala ang giant gingerbread train at ang mapagbigay na si Santa Claus.
Well, this is our welcome to our 6th annual Christmas tree lighting event. We're very happy and excited to kick off the festive season. We're calling the 1 Hour Drive. It's a series of events that we're hosting for our customers for different types of things like cooking classes, arts and crafts, all these things. So we're doing a series of 1 hour classes, and if they sign up for that, all the proceeds will go to the Children's Hour campaign.
Higit pa sa maningning ng mga disenyo at selebrasyon, nakasentro ang kanilang Christmas activity sa pagtulong sa mga batang biktima ng sakit na epilepsy.
It's part of the Children's Hour Foundation, and they're focused on the Brain Center, which is children with epilepsy.
Maglulunsad din sila ng iba pang mga aktibidad para sa buong buwan ng Disyembre.
Well, our big one coming up next week is the Grand Wine event, but we go straight into Thanksgiving. We're celebrating the American Thanksgiving holiday at the end of the month. And then, of course, moving into Christmas, we have the Christmas train behind us here. We're selling a bunch of goodies and hampers and Christmas gifts. Anybody who's looking for new ideas, unique ideas to give to their friends, family, colleagues can stop by and visit the Christmas train.
Taos-pusong pagtulong sa kapwa. Ito ang tunay na buhay ng Pasko na hinding-hindi dapat mapawi sa puso ng bawat isa.
Oo nga, no? Ang dami ng mga activities talaga na pagpasko.
Pero sa susunod na baka Wednesday, palabas yung activities naman natin sa
Ay,
orphanage.
oo, masaya yun.
Aga tayo namigay ng mga Christmas gifts dyan.
Oo, dito talaga sa Pilipinas. So, November pa lang, Pasko na.